Hi again, everybody. Monday, April 29th, 2024. Astro Excel chart for the coming week. We're peeking out here this morning. We're right in this area here now. We start this push down on the green line. That takes us all the way until Wednesday morning at midnight. Then we're flat into the AM, bottom out here around 10 a.m., and then start to push up all through the Wednesday day session, upward through Thursday, flat lining out 1400 Thursday afternoon, a little bit more of a push up till 8 a.m. and then slight push down the rest of the day. Now right now we're up above the 10 line. The strongest part of this move is this down push through Monday and Tuesday. After we bottom out here Wednesday, we're kind of gently pushing up and then hugging the zero line for the rest of the week. So that's not a tremendous amount of pressure. The main pressure is here Monday to late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. On the blue line, we've got the first big spike here is at night, 2200 tonight. Double bottom here on Tuesday around 3 a.m. and then again at 7 a.m. On Wednesday, we get the push down below -10 at 7 a.m. And then the blue line is kind of boxed between the 10 lines for the rest of the week. So not as much pressure later in the week. It's a little bit more of a neutral tendency from the Astro standpoint. So that's what we're looking at for the week ahead as we get into the month of May. We will be back with another video tomorrow.